Hello students, welcome to first PUC online classes. In the last L1 videos, we completed the theory part concerned to motion in a straight line. Now let us see the few numericals concerned to motion in a straight line. Already we have calculated the average velocity and average speed. Already we have saw some problems concerned to average speed and average velocity. Now in this class, let us see some of the numericals concerned to equations of motion. Right? The first numerical is a body starts from rest. Body starts from rest. Acquires a velocity of 5 meter per second in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration and distance traveled by the body. Right? Question is like this. Shall I take? A body starts from rest. This is the rest position of the body. Look at me. Body starts from rest means initial velocity is 0. Starts from rest and acquires a velocity of, how much velocity acquire finally? 12 meter per second. Acquires 12 meter per second. In a time interval in 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. Right? Situation like this. How the object moves? Object moves like this, in this direction. What we need to calculate? Calculate acceleration and distance moved by the body. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅದ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದ ರೀ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅದ 12 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅದ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ? 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅದರ ವೇಗೋತ್ಕರ್ಷಕ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಡಿ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. ರೈಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? Here what is given? Initial velocity 0. Shall I go for the solution? Initial velocity 0. What is final velocity? 12 meter per second. 12 meter per second. And what is given again? Time is given. Time equal to 5 seconds. What we need? We need to calculate the acceleration. We need to calculate the distance traveled by the body. Right or wrong? How to calculate acceleration? See here already you have 3 equations of motions. What are those? V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus h square is equal to 2as. These equations, how to use it is very important. In a given problem, what is given? In the given problem, velocity given, time given. Velocity given, time given. Wherever velocity and times are given, we need to calculate v is equal to u plus at. For acceleration, how to calculate? We know this equation. V is equal to u plus at. Right? But what is initial velocity of the body? Initial velocity is 0. Then what about this equation? V is equal to how much? U into t. V is equal to a into t. See here. V is equal to a into t. We need acceleration then. What is acceleration from this? Acceleration a is equal to v divided by t. This is equal to v divided by t. V how much he has given? V equal to 12 meter per second. What is t? T equal to 5 second. Then 12 divided by 5 you can do. How much answer it is? 2.4 meter per second square directly. Acceleration how much? 2.4 meter per second square. This is acceleration attained by the body. Are you following? Then in second step what to do? In second step we need to calculate the distance traveled by the body. To calculate the distance, 2 equations are there. V square minus u square is equal to 2as, right? Or s is equal to ut plus half t square. Any one equation you can use. Shall I use this equation directly? To calculate the distance, s is equal to how much? Ut plus half a t square. Right? But again initial velocity of the body is 0. Starts from rest mean initial velocity is 0. Shall I take this? S is equal to u replaced by z, 0 into t plus how much? Half a t square. You follow? Then directly what distance equation you got? S is equal to half a t square. Right? Then see here, s is equal to how much? Half, keep it up saying a already got, that is 2.4 meter per second square. Right? T square, t mean how much? 5 second. Then directly 5 square, that is 25, right? 5 square is 25. Directly how to put value? S is equal to, if we calculate all these values, how the distance will come? Distance is equal to 30 meter. I mean, in 5 seconds, acceleration traveled by the body is 2.4 meter per second square, and distance traveled by the body is 30 meter. See this numerical for few seconds. We will see the one more numerical. Second numerical is, a bus moving on a straight road with 126 km per hour is brought to rest after 200 meter. Right? Option 1, calculate acceleration of the bus. Second one, time taken by the bus to come to rest. Students, in the previous video already we have studied about the stopping distance. In stopping distance, what happened? When suddenly brakes puts on the vehicle come to rest after certain distance, right? That distance we are calling stopping distance. Where the stopping distance possible? Stopping distance possible only for a negative acceleration, or we are calling retardation. In this problem, what is that? A bus moving on a straight road with 120 km per hour. Shall I take the situation here? Let us take it is the bus, right? Moving in straight line. By what initial velocity? Initial velocity, how much? 126 km per hour. Right? 126 km per hour. Brought to rest after 200 meter. Brought to rest means its final velocity 0. Final velocity 0. Final velocity 0 in how much meter? S is equal to 200 meter. This is S is equal to 200 meter. Brought to rest after 200 meter. What we need then? We need to calculate acceleration. We need to calculate acceleration, and we need to calculate time taken to stop the vehicle. Time taken to stop the bus. Right? Both we need to calculate. Here what are given values? What are the given values, students? Here shall I write? In given values actually 126 kilometer is the kilometer per hour is given. 126 kilometer per hour. Right? It is in kilometer per hour. We should convert into meter per second. We know that. How to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second? 1 kilometer per hour mean how much meter per second? 5 by 18 meter per second. Shall I take this value? U equal to how much in meter per second? That is 126. 1 kilometer per hour mean how much? 5 divided by 18. Then directly how much velocity you got? 35 meter per second you got. Initial velocity must be 35 meter per second you got directly. Then what we need? We need acceleration of the bus. Acceleration mean what here? Your final velocity less than initial velocity. Acceleration must be negative. I mean, we need to calculate retardation. Are you following me? Then here, look at me students here. Here what happens? Acceleration calculate we need. What are given values here? Here U is given and S is given. Yes, how much given actually? Distance traveled by the body is equal to 200 meter. Just kotta 200 meter kotta namaga. What are given values here? S is given. U is given. What we need to calculate? Acceleration we need to calculate. Two equations are there. V square minus U square is equal to 2as and S is equal to ut plus half at square. Here time is not given. Time is not given mean what we need to calculate? V square minus U square is equal to 2as. Shall I take here equation? Which one equation? V square minus U square equal to 2as. I am not using S is equal to ut plus half at square because in that time is required, but here time is not given. That's what I am using this equation. V square minus U square is equal to 2as. When time is given, you can use V is equal to U plus at, or you can use S is equal to ut plus half at square. Here time is not given. That's what I am using. V square minus U square is equal to 2as. Right? Then shall I take here? How to calculate acceleration from this? Acceleration A is equal to how much? V v square minus u square divided by 2s, right? Shall I put all the values? Then you can get the acceleration. How much acceleration then? See here, a equal to v. What is the final velocity? Final velocity is 0. 0 square. What is u? U is equal to 35. U is equal to 35 square whole divided by 2. Yes mean how much? 200 meter. Yes mean 200 meter. Calculate this value. You are getting negative acceleration. Minus 35 square divided by 400 directly. How much acceleration you are getting? Minus 3.06. This is how much? Minus 3.06 meter per second square. What are calling? This is negative acceleration, or we are calling retardation. Right or wrong? This is one numerical. And in second one, we need to calculate the time here. What given? Acceleration given, initial velocity given, final velocity given. We need time. We know that v is equal to u plus at. Shall I use that equation now? For second one, v is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. Here final velocity is 0. Keep it up, it is 0. Right. U is equal to how much? 35 meter per second. Right. A. What is A? Minus 3.06 into how much? That is time directly. Right. Or shall I keep this directly now? 3.06 into t equal to how much? 35. Right. Or what is t then? What is t here? T value. T equal to 35 divided by how much? 3.06. Then t 35 divided by 3.06. What value you are getting directly? That is L1.4 second. Shall I calculate this? T equal to L1.4 second. Directly how much time you got? T equal to L1.4 second. Right. This is time taken to stop after 200 meter, and this is acceleration attained by the body. See this numerical again for a few seconds. We will see one more numerical. The numerical 3 is a car traveling at 9 meter per second accelerate and attains a speed of 27 meter per second in 5 seconds. Right? Calculate acceleration and distance traveled in 5 seconds. See, a problem is very simple. What is that? A car traveling at a 9 meter per second. Look at it is the car. The car traveling at what speed? 9 meter per second. Right. Attain the speed of how much? 27 meter per second. I mean final velocity. 27 meter per second. In 5 seconds. From initial velocity to final velocity, what is the time interval? 5 seconds. Right? 5 seconds. What we need to calculate? Acceleration traveled by the car. And distance traveled in 5 seconds. Right? Shall I go for the solution here? One car adari. One car is initial velocity ada 9 meter per second ada. Finally ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದರಿ 27 meter per second ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗ 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗ. ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ? ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ, ವೇಗೋತ್ಕರ್ಷಕ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ, ಮತ್ತು ಆ 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆ ಕಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ಯದ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯದ. See here. What are given values? Shall I go for solution? First given values. Given. What has given? Initial velocity given 9 meter per second. Final velocity how much? 27 meter per second. 27 meter per second. In a time interval how much? In the time interval 5 seconds. What we need? Acceleration we need, distance we need. See here, to calculate the acceleration and what he has given, time he has given. Wherever time is given, we are using only two equations. Either v is equal to u plus at S is equal to ut plus half t square. In any numerical, time is given mean directly use two equation. One v is equal to u plus at, S is equal to ut plus half t square. Here distance covered not given. Then initially what equation we are going to use? That is v is equal to u plus et. Right? Or what is acceleration? How to write acceleration? Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time interval. Right? Look at me here. What is final velocity? 27 meter per second. What is initial velocity? 9 meter per second divided by time interval. That is 5 meter per 5 second. Then from this, if we calculate 27 minus 9 divided by 5, how much you got acceleration? Acceleration is equal to how much? 3.6 meter per second square. Acceleration traveled by the body. Right? Now again distance traveled in 5 seconds. If we go to distance, two equations we are using. V square minus u square is equal to 2s, s is equal to ut plus half at square. But time is given. Wherever time is given, we should take s is equal to ut plus half at square. Right? Around. Now shall I go? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Right? Then again yes, u. What is u? U equal to 9 meter per second. In how much interval of time? 5 second plus half. A how much given? A 3.6 already we got. Into t square. T means 5 second. 5 second. 5 square. Directly. Again this is how much? 9 into 5. That becomes 45. Plus solve this. How much you are getting? 45 plus 45. How much? S is equal to 90 meter. Distance traveled by the body. In 5 seconds, acceleration is this much and distance covered is 90 meter. Again copy it. We will see one more numerical. Right. The fourth numerical is brakes are applied to a traveling. Brakes are applied to a car traveling at 30 meter per second. Its velocity is reduced to 20 meter per second. Calculate the retardation and also calculate the distance covered in those 5 seconds. Ready? One car ada. One car ಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟದ 30 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅದ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Calculate the retardation and also calculate distance traveled in 5 seconds. Now acceleration calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Acceleration ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Retardation ಅಂದ್ರೆ negative acceleration. See here how to take. This is the car moving like this. Right. Initially how much velocity is there? Initial velocity given how much? Initial velocity equal to 30 meter per second. Right. When brake is applied to car, its velocity may reduce. How much final velocity is given? Final velocity equal to 25 meter per second. 20 meter per second, not 25. 20 meter per second. In a time interval, how much a time interval? In the time interval t equal to 5 seconds. Equal to 5 seconds. Again what we need? Retardation means negative acceleration. Retardation means directly negative acceleration and also calculate the distance traveled in 5 seconds. Right? See here. Final velocity is less than initial velocity. Directly. Final velocity less than initial velocity. Then acceleration is negative. Already we said this point so many times. Now, we need acceleration first. Shall I go for solution here? In solution, given values are there. What are given values? U equal to given 30 meter per second. Right? V equal to how much? 20 meter per second. Time is given. Time equal to 5 seconds. Time equal to 5 seconds. Let us calculate acceleration. To calculate acceleration, See here, we know an equation v is equal to u plus at. Whenever time is given, only we need to calculate, we need to use the two equation. Either v is equal to u plus at or s is equal to ut plus half at square. Distance not given here. Directly, what equation which I am going to use? V is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. Directly shall write the acceleration. Acceleration a, v minus u whole divided by t. Right. V is how much? V equal to 20, u equal to 30. Whole divided by time. Time interval is 5. Right. Shall I use this? Acceleration. 20 minus 30 minus 10. Whole divided by 5. How much acceleration it got directly? Minus 2 meter per second square. Shall I use here acceleration? What is the acceleration attained by the body in 5 seconds? Minus 2 meter per second square. This is negative acceleration. Negative acceleration or what we are calling retardation. Negative acceleration or retardation. Right here. Then how to calculate the distance? To calculate the distance, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Because time is given. Whenever time is not given, we are using v square minus u square is equal to 2s. Both equation you can take now, no matter. S is equal to how to take? Ut plus half at square. Or you can use v square minus u square is equal to 2s because initial velocity given, final velocity given, acceleration also given here. Right? U equal to how much? 30 meter per second. T how much? In 5 seconds. Plus half A equal to minus 2. T how much? 5 square 25. Right. Then see here how much this is. 30 into 5, how much it is? It is 150. Shall I take this value? This one. Then what this is? Minus 25 remaining. Right on. Then how much you got directly? S is equal to 125 meter. Because acceleration empty here. Then this is the acceleration attained by the body. This is distance traveled after how much second? After 5 seconds. Copy this numerical. Then we will give some homeworks concerned to these numericals. Try this numerical. As a homework, the numerical is the car travels at a speed of 35 meter per second and attains 50 meter per second which covers 200 meter. One car adari, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅದ 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅದ. ಫೈನಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ? ಅದರ ಫೈನಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ 50 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅದ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ? 200 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ರೈಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ 200 ಮೀಟರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ್ರಿ, ಫೈನಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ? 200 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ 200 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತದ? ಯರ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಗಿವನ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಗಿವನ್, ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್? acceleration we need, distance also given. Whenever time is given directly, we should take v is equal to u plus at or s is equal to ut plus half at square. Yet time is not given. Think this numerical clearly and solve it. Hope you will get this numerical. Remaining numericals mean NCERT numericals, we will see in the next video. Thank you.